Deadpool, Wolverine, two of the baddest heroes ever. In this video, I'm creating both of them in just 17 minutes. First up, the Merc with a mouth, and then we'll tackle Wolverine's claws. Let's dive in. All right, we're starting off with everyone's favorite loud-mouthed anti-hero. You guessed it, Deadpool. We've got 8 minutes to make him, so let's see how many chimichangas I can squeeze in during that time.
So we are almost done with the head.
You know, if I mess this up, I can just say it's part of Deadpool's regenerative powers, right? It's called artistic freedom.
Comment below if you want a tutorial on this gem. Make two like this.
Fun fact, Deadpool once fought Wolverine.
Make four like this. We're done with the first one. Now let's start with the body.
Spoiler alert, they're both too stubborn to die.
Color doesn't matter.
When you finish a particular detail, boom, one step closer to chimichanga time.
to each other. Make two like this contrary to each other. And now let's stick all the body parts together. Just like that. It looks like a Deadpool, but something is missing. Yeah. It is the sword. Let's attach it. Yeah. Now.
And there we have it. The man, the myth, the guy who'll probably break the fourth wall in my video comments, Deadpool in the flesh. Well, sorta. Now we're trading the sarcastic anti-hero for the ultimate brooding badass, Wolverine. I mean, just look at him. Who wouldn't want retractable claws and a bad temper?
X. Make two like this.
With Wolverine, it's all about the rugged, tough guy look. You don't mess with Logan unless you're ready for some serious claw action.
To each other. Attach it.
Logan's claws, practical. My claws, cardboard. Here's the thing. Wolverine's been alive for over a century and still hasn't figured out moisturizer. I'm just saying Hugh Jackman doesn't have that problem. When working on his claws, the key to Wolverine is simple. Sharp claws, sharp attitude. I got one of those right.
Just feel the voice.
And there it is. Our favorite grumpy Canadian is ready for action. I mean, if anyone's got a shorter fuse than Deadpool, it's gotta be Wolverine, right? All right, we've officially created Deadpool and Wolverine. Who did I nail better? Wade Wilson's charm or Logan's gruff, no-nonsense look? Let me know in the comments which one you'd want by your side in a fight. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you want more chaotic creations like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll probably be back. And don't worry, I promise I won't break the fourth wall. Much.